Imagine coming home to a perfectly organized space, your plants watered, pets fed, and even a drink waiting for you, all thanks to your personal AI assistant. Well, meet Isaac, the AI robot that's about to revolutionize how we manage our homes. In this video, we are diving into what Isaac can do, how it works, and why it's the future of smart living. Stick around to find out how you can get your hands on one. Number 1 is, what is Isaac exactly? Isaac is more than just a robot. It's a personal AI-powered assistant designed to tackle the most mundane household chores. From folding laundry and organizing your living space to feeding pets and watering plants, Isaac has it all covered. And the best part, it gets smarter the more you use it, learning how you like things done over time. Whether it's through voice commands, text instructions, or automations in the app, Isaac is designed to fit seamlessly into your life. And if you need a personal photographer, Isaac can even take photos on demand. But here's a question for you. Would you really trust a robot to manage your entire home? I mean, what happens if it learns a little too much? Let me know what you think in the comments. Number 2 is the technology behind Isaac. Isaac's advanced AI is what sets it apart from other robots. Powered by a high-performance GPU, Isaac processes everything locally, meaning it does not rely on cloud services for its tasks. Your privacy is protected and everything Isaac learns stays within your home. And if Isaac encounters something it can't handle autonomously, Wave offers a feature called Remote OP, where specialists take control and assist you with the task through the robot. This ensures you are never left stuck while waiting for a software update. Now here's another question. Do you feel comfortable with the idea of someone remotely operating your robot from afar? It could be a super convenient, but is it worth the potential risk? Drop your thoughts below. Number 3 is, how much does Isaac cost? Let's talk about how you can bring Isaac into your home. To reserve an Isaac, it costs you $1,000. And don't worry, if you change your mind, it's fully refundable. Once it's ready to ship in fall 2025, you will have two options: a payment plan of $1,385 per month over 48 months, or a one-time payment of whopping $59,000. With the first batch of only 30 Isaacs set to ship to US customers, now is the time to reserve yours before they are all gone. Number 4 is, what makes Isaac unique? Isaac is not just another smart device. It's your personal AI helper. Over time, it learns where things go, what you need, and even when your pets need feeding. It can search for and find your keys, wallet, or phone, and will even fetch you a drink or food when you need it. And it doesn't stop there. Isaac will receive over-the-air updates like iPhones, which means it's only going to get more autonomous and smart over time. It's like having a butler that evolves with your lifestyle. Number 5 is privacy and security. In today's tech world, privacy is a major concern, and Isaac was designed with that in mind. When Isaac is not in use, its camera folds down and its microphone shuts off, providing peace of mind that your privacy is being respected. And since Isaac's AI operates locally, you can rest easy knowing that none of your data is sent to the cloud. Everything stays within your home. Number 6 is the future of home automation. So, how soon can you get an Isaac? The first batch of 30 units will be delivered in the fall of 2025, and Wave plans to ramp up production soon after. With the smart home market growing, Isaac is just the beginning of a future where AI robots take care of the mundane tasks, giving us more time to focus on what really matters. Here's something to think about. Would you really spend $59,000 on a robot to help around the house, or is that just too much for convenience? Let me know in the comments. Would you rather pay for human help or trust AI? Number 7 is conclusion, of course. Isaac is said to be a game changer in home automation. From folding your laundry, of course, to finding your keys, it's the personal robot we have all been waiting for. So what do you think? Is Isaac the future of home living? Let me know in the comments below. And if you are interested, don't wait. Reserve your Isaac now. Make sure to subscribe for more updates on the latest AI and robotics tech. And I will catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.